Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to Olaf a Lot Toys. Today we're going to be taking a look at Rainy Day Peppa Pig. And I've got Princess Peppa here to help, and George. Alright, so it looks like Peppa comes with a raincoat and a rain hat and her boots for jumping in muddy puddles. There's even a muddy puddle in the box. Alright, let's see. How does she open? And here's her little rain hat. And her little raincoat. It's even got our little picture on there. And Peppa's favorite, her muddy puddle boots. Alright, all that's left is Peppa. Let's get her out of there. Alright, here is our big Peppa. And just like the little Peppas, her arms raise up and down. Let's see if they do it. They're kind of flexible too. She can turn her head, and her feet can go back and forth. Perfect for jumping in muddy puddles. Now let's get Peppa dressed. First she'll need her raincoat. Arms up, Peppa. There's one arm. It's just like getting a real little piggy dressed. Alright. Close it up. Alright, now she needs her hat. Let's see how it goes. Oh, there's the front. Alright, she's all ready to go outside. Oh wait, she mustn't go outside unless she wears her rain boots. Slip those on for size. Slip right over these shoes. Oh! There we go. Peppa's all ready to go jumping up and down in muddy puddles. To see more Peppa Pig and other cool toys, don't forget to subscribe to Olaf a Lot Toys. Let me know if you like this video by hitting the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.